Imagine if the 8 hours you spend sleeping became the most productive part of your day. For those navigating the frustrations of aging skin, memory lapses, or restless nights, the future of recovery has arrived. Traditional red light therapy is often a chore, hot, bulky, and time-consuming. The mebed is different. It is a medical-grade fiber optic textile woven into cooling anti-microbial bamboo. No heat, no hassle, and no time taken out of your busy day. While you rest, 660 nanometer light is shown to boost nitric oxide and collagen production, supporting smoother skin, reduced pain, and your body's natural fat-burning processes. For those focused on cognitive health, the 40 Hz gamma mode is designed to stimulate brain pathways and sharpen memory retention while you reach the deepest levels of cellular regeneration. The science is clear, and we are seeking 100 beta testers to experience this revolution. Your investment includes a 100% money-back guarantee and 2 years of free feature upgrades. Don't just sleep, regenerate. Find out more information at medbeddrlt.com or secure your limited edition unit at therapyfabrics.com.